These skateboards are helping to protect marine life. In 2013, three young surfers co-founded Bureo, a fishing net recycling company working to combat the fatal effects that fishing net waste, otherwise known as ghost gear, has on marine life. So what is ghost gear? It's any discarded nets, lines, ropes, or otherwise abandoned fishing gear, most of which goes unseen. According to a report by the World Wildlife Fund, the WWF, ghost gear makes up at least 10% of marine litter, meaning between 500,000 and 1 million tons of fishing gear gets left in the ocean annually. According to a recent study highlighted by the WWF, 5.7% of all fishing nets, 8.6% of traps and pots, and 29% of all fishing lines used globally are abandoned, lost, or discarded into the environment. Ghost gear is the deadliest form of marine plastic because it continues to do what it was designed to do: trap marine life. Fishing nets ensnare sea mammals, seabirds, sea turtles, fish, rays, and sharks, subjecting them to a slow and painful death through exhaustion or suffocation. Ghost gear also damages coral reefs, mangroves, and other marine ecosystems that are vital nursery areas for a myriad of species. Ghost gear made of plastic can take decades to break down, ensuring this fatal cycle will last for generations. WWF offers solutions such as getting fishers to use biodegradable components so that when the inevitable happens, the gear breaks down quicker. The organization also stresses the importance of several existing removal programs and training fishers to retrieve lost items if it is safe to do so. While measures from the UN and other organizations are in place to mitigate this vicious cycle, citizens at grassroots level like the folks at Bureo have stepped up to do their part. To date, Bureo has collected 2.6 million pounds of discarded fishing nets. The company melts it all down into plastic pellets called net plus material, which is then used to make new consumer goods like skateboards, sunglasses, and games. In addition to creating its own recycled goods, Bureo sells its net plus material to other companies to use in their manufacturing processes. More than 60 fishing communities are involved with Bureo to bring discarded nets to one of the company's many recycling stations across Chile, in an effort to create a more circular economy. Bureo has since partnered with the WWF Peru to provide, quote, artisanal fishers with responsible options for end-of-life gear disposal where none existed before, end quote.